Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So as you must have already seen in the title, today's video would be my winter clothing haul. I bought a few winter clothing pieces like sweatshirts and sweaters about a month or two ago from Myntra, and today I would be sharing all the pieces that I bought with you guys. So like always, this too would be a try on haul, but this time I have tried to do something different. If you like the way that I have done my try on haul this time, then do let me know in the comment section down below, or even if you prefer the old style of my try on hauls, then do let me know in the comment again so that I can do similar type of videos in the future. Okay, so now before getting into the actual haul and showing you all the products that I bought, I would just like to say that I did get these products on discount, but they were the regular discount which are usually available on Myntra. But I would really like to mention that Myntra would be having a huge sale from I guess 20th of November, and you can get these and many more clothing pieces and even like everything that is available on Myntra on like very affordable prices. So if you would like to buy any of these pieces, then I would recommend just waiting for 20th, and till then just keep on adding the pieces you desire in your wish list, and as soon as the sale goes on live, you can grab your favorite products on amazing discounts. This is not a sponsored video and this does not have any affiliate links or anything. I am just a usual Myntra shopper, and this is what I liked this time. So yes, without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so this is the first piece that I would like to show. This is a simple plain black cardigan with detailing given on the sleeves. I like the fact that the sleeves of this particular one are pretty long. I do not like something where my sleeves just end up here, because it makes me uncomfortable, and I really like my sleeves to be super long. And in this situation, this particular one does give me a super long sleeves. This is how the cardigan looks like. It is a plain black cardigan at the back, and it is just plain black from the front as well with the round neck. It just gives a little detailing, a little like a white print on the sleeves, which makes it look a little different from a normal regular black cardigan. Okay, so this is the second sweater. It is a plain neon green type of a sweater. It again has the same benefit. It has long sleeves, which makes me super comfortable during the winter season. I forgot to mention in the previous sweater, the previous one and even this one are both by the brand Here and Now. The previous one was in the size L and this particular one is in a size XL. But somehow that one is a little more comfortable on me as compared to this one. Maybe it is the fit or something. But yes, this is how the second sweater looks like. It is very bright. The camera is not actually picking up the right brightness of this sweater. But it is a very bright neon type of a color. And it is like completely solid from the front as well as from the back. I just have two cardigans to share with you in this haul. I actually bought three cardigans, but there was an orange one which I personally did not like the way it was looking on me, and that is the reason I just returned it. So I just have two cardigans, and now I'm going to show you three sweatshirts. This is by the brand Must in Harbour, and even this is in the size XL. It is a little loose on me, like you can see, it is a little loose on me, but I usually like to have multiple layers on in winters, and that is the reason I am pretty comfortable in this loose fitting sweatshirt. It is like a solid again red sweatshirt with a little navy and white detailing here with again decently long sleeves, and because it's a sweatshirt, it does have pockets which makes it even more comfortable during winters. Okay, this particular one does not have a hoodie. I personally am not a fan of hooded sweatshirts, and this is like a zip up sweatshirt. It zips up to my neck and it makes me a little more comfortable in my neck area as well. So yes, this is how the red sweatshirt looks like. Now the next sweatshirt that I bought is by the brand Roadster, and this is how it looks. It is like a bright pink sweatshirt with a distorted star printed on the front. This is in the size XL, and I usually go for XL in Roadster. I have a lot of products from Roadster, and I am a fan of their t-shirts, and now they are like sweatshirts and winter wear as well. So yes, this is how it looks like. The sleeves are again of like decent size, and this is how it looks like. It is completely plain from the back, and it does have a very minor detailing. The material is actually pretty good. It is perfect when it's neither very cold nor very hot, and you just like a little bit of cover up. So yes, this is how this looks like. I am showing everything with a pair of jeans, but I actually also like to wear woolen skirt sort of a thing in winters, and each one of them would look beautiful with a skirt as well. Okay, now this one does not have any pockets, and neither it's a zip up one. It is a t-shirt style sweatshirt, and yes, this is how it looks like. My next winter clothing is again a sweatshirt, and even this is not a zip up one. This one is like a mustardy sort of a t-shirt sweatshirt with a little pattern. I guess it's like electric pattern or something, made on the front as well as on the back. This one is again by the brand Roadster, and this is again in the size XL, which is actually the same size as the pink one, but this somehow is a little loose on me. I'm not sure whether I should call it a little loose, or it is like the fitting of it or something. Maybe it is meant to look like this or something, but I'm actually happy with this particular piece. I'm not exchanging this for a lower size because I'm not actually sure whether I would like the way L would look on me. But yes, this is comfortable. It might look a little big and everything, but this is comfortable. Okay, one more thing that I would like to say about this is it looks like a decent size like this, but as soon as I try to pick my hands, it just goes up, and which is not very comfortable for me. So I personally would not wear it with a pair of jeans. I would wear this with maybe a denim skirt or a woolen skirt, because like this makes it a little uncomfortable. So yes, this is how the next piece looks like. Okay, now this is the last and final piece from my haul. This is a little different from everything that I showed you earlier. This is basically a sweater dress sort of a thing, and this is again by the brand Roadster. This is in the size XL, as I ordered other things in XL as well, but again this is a little loose on me. I would have just liked it a little bit tighter here, but yeah, I can always exchange it for a smaller size. This is how it looks like. I would just try and push the camera a little further so that you can actually see the length of this dress. Okay, so like this is how long the dress is. It is just like past my knees actually. It stays somewhere on my mid-calf, and yes, this is how it looks like. You can style this with a pair of knee-high boots, or you can even go for a regular boots with like a leggings and maybe even a leather jacket over it. This is actually pretty warm. I don't think I would be needing anything over it, but if you're going somewhere very chilly, then this is a good option. And this is again just a single piece outfit and very easy to style. I just hope that you liked today's video. The way I did it, I am not very sure whether you would like this or not, or would you like the previous style more. But do let me know in the comment section down below whatever you feel about this video. I would love to hear from you guys. Also, if you like this video, then do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and do consider subscribing to my channel, and also push the notification bell down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Namaste.